I'm 2 News Oklahoma's Clifton Haskin. After Morris was hit by two EF1 tornadoes in 2024, Okmulgee County is adding new tornado sirens to better protect families before that next storm hits. Those tornadoes left damage across Morris and surrounding areas, reminding many how quickly severe weather can turn dangerous.
When you walk out, can't see much of the other houses and stuff because there's too many trees and stuff that's down everywhere.
Now, Okmulgee County Emergency Management has secured funding to improve its warning system.
We're doing everything possible to keep you ahead of any event that may happen.
Okmulgee County Emergency Manager Jeff Morris says the total cost of the project is $248,000. FEMA is covering $236,000 of that through a hazard mitigation grant. The remaining portion will be paid for by county taxpayers.
But yeah, it's safer. It'd be a lot safer with them sirens.
The project includes 6 new tornado sirens placed in key locations across the county, including Morris, Wilson Public Schools, Twin Hills Public Schools, and the District 1 barn in Beggs.
I'm so glad and happy. This might make everybody a little bit not as pensive.
Emergency Management says the new sirens will be mounted on steel poles for durability and can operate off-grid if power goes out. They also have dual communication systems, meaning they can receive signals through both radio and cellular networks.
Them sirens will make it where everybody can get around. We appreciate it.
In Morris, Clifton Haskin, 2 News Oklahoma.